Yeah, this is a 2018 Honda Accord. Basically what we did, we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. So if anybody walks up and they try to bust out the door, nut locks, or leave the car on full brakes, or bust out your keyhole here, the alarm will fire off. What happens is with these factory alarms, they don't come with any type of impact sensor. So if anybody tries to break in, as long as they don't open any of the doors, everything is fine. But by adding the shock sensor, it will give you all that protection that you need. The kit does other little security things that I don't like to mention for security purposes. But yeah, it gives you all around protection. So if anybody walks up and tries to bust out the lug nut locks, turn it off. You just hit unlock the same way you were doing before, and that will turn off the factory alarm. This is an add-on to the factory alarm, so there's no need to install another alarm and have you carry another key fob with the remote control. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Autoline Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.